Good students, today I am going to teach you about angles at a point. Angle at a point, angle, sum of the angles on at a point is always 360 degree. Angles make around the point which is known as 360 degree or complete angle round here. Here OP is a ray and P, when make angle around O, around at point O by P, when P move around the point O, then make one complete angle which is 360 degree. Here here OP move around O. Start from P. Start from P and move around the point O and again coincide on P dash. Here P dash coincide at P, then total angle make at O 360 degree because OP move around here OP move around O, around the point O, then make a complete angle which is 360 degree. P dash coincide on P. P start from this and coincide on this. Here any angle which a point move here at let A and here move and go on B at point O. Then this angle is travel distance from A to B which make a straight line that is known as 180 degree. After this move B to A, then make 180 degree angle. 180 degree angle. Thus angle AOB plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. Make a complete angle in 360 degree angle is made around the O. which is 360 degree. That is known as complete angle. After this, reflex angle. Reflex angle, which angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, that angle is known as a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle. Which angles has greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is known as a reflex angle. So, okay student, here I give you some example. You can write here the sum of the angle, the sum of the angles at a point is 360 degree. At a point, sum of the angles around the point O. Sum of the all angles around O is 360 degree, which is known as complete angle. Which is known as a complete angle. Which is known as a complete angle. Starting A and coincide on A dash. A dash coincide on A. Thus make a 360 degree angle at O. Here I give you some example. Find the value of x. Here O. This angle is 210 degree. Then find the value of x. Here B equal to this angle is equal to 60 degree and this angle is 120 degree. Then find the value of x. These types of triangles you can solve on this basis. Sum of the all angle x plus angle 60 plus 120 is equal to 360 degree. Then you can find the value of x by this formula. Here C 30 degree and this is 45 degree. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. A, B, C. These types of equations are total value is equal to 360 degree. Here this angle x plus 120 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. Then you can solve this 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree. So x is equal to 100, we get 180 degree. So by this methods you can solve all. So okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.